can you do smash burgers on a Monument Denali 605 Pro? Sure you can, if you have their rectangular plate inserted on it or sitting on top of the grates. So we'll show you in this video, the Monument Denali 605 Pro has the same versatility as any other gas grill, plus you can make it act like a little Blackstone. Hit that subscribe button down there, check this out. That's a chili dog right there, y'all. Smash burgers are so fun because they are just so incredibly easy to make. Just smack those meatballs on there, smush them down, and you're ready to go. Nice and thin. They cook up really fast too, so you got to be ready for that. See if I can get 4 on there. This is the standard size griddle from Monument. That is going to be fan-freaking-tastic. I like to put my spatula over the grill just to make sure we kill any of that bacteria that might be on that meat. A little salt, pepper on there. Look at that cast iron griddle go. So you can have your Blackstone and your regular grill going basically at the same time without buying another grill. How cool is that? All right, those are about ready to flip. Let me toast a bun on there. Look at how non-stick that is, y'all. It's hard to even get that thing underneath. Let that go for a little bit longer on the other side. Here. That's good and toasted. Yes, sir. Nice little char. I like to flip mine back over before I cheese them. It helps the cheese not just run right off of the thing. I'm only cheesing 2 of these because the other 2 are going to be for tomorrow. There we go. Look at this. Nice double smash cheeseburger. Look at that. And 2 for tomorrow. It sure don't get a whole lot better than that, y'all. And when you're done, you just scrape it clean just like you would your Blackstone. So there you go. There's some smash burgers on the Blackstone Monument Denali 605 Pro. Check that out again. Time to eat. Give me that thumbs up like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon so you don't miss videos like this one when they come out. We'll see you next time. That's a chili dog right there, y'all.